Welcome to Marketecture, where you can get smart fast with in-depth interviews of leading technology vendors. I'm Brian Barletta from Sounds Profitable, and I'm here with Sean King, SVP General Manager, Commercial Enterprises at Veritone. Sean, so great to have you here.
Great to be here, Brian. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I've had a chance to work with Veritone for a long time. So as always, in the interest of full disclosure, Veritone is a partner of Sounds Profitable, and Sean and I have worked together for several years. So let's dive right into it, Sean. What does Veritone do?
Well, Veritone, we're an AI company, and we help bring structured to unstructured data. And with that, are able to power a lot of workflows and provide a new level of transparency and really helping companies kind of augment their human force. And specifically in our commercial division, we really focus on media, entertainment, and advertisers. And so we're able to help provide greater transparency into your advertising campaign, better ROI, but then also provide tools to be able to power that faster and to be able to just give you more accessibility to the content you're creating, more intelligence about what content you already have. And then also on top of that, help bring monetization solutions to these companies that are able to take advantage of all this information that they have.
That's a lot. Which side of it would you say is like the anchor point of it? The advertising or the content or?
Well, the anchor for everything that we do is our platform and AIware. It's our operating system. And what that allows us to do is to ingest, large amounts of data sets and then run it through different layers of cognition and these different AI and ML models to help bring a new level of transparency into those things and then allow the output of those to really be able to power what you're looking to do. So if you're an advertiser, it's with our agency side in Veritone One, it allows them to get new insights faster and quicker than kind of traditional metrics that we're able to do and traditional media products that are out there that kind of help the advertising lifecycle. We're able to get those insights faster and provide a much more meaningful return to our brands that we work with. And on the content side, it allows you to really understand what's in your content, who's in your content, what are you talking about? That level of metadata enrichment that can be added to your content allows you to have this level of transparency. And then on top of that, okay, now that I have that, what can I do with it? How do I want to augment that? And then we could provide those solutions in the form of media workflows, commerce solutions that are there. Great example for one of our customers, CBS News, is that we help enrich their archive of talent. But then on top of that, we also help them, now that they have the enrichment around it, license it for kind of these secondary and tertiary opportunities. So if you're ever seeing, an image of Walter Cronkite talking about landing on the moon, that content is coming from our team that has enriched that data to be able to make it searchable and indexable and then make it available to producers and directors out there to, instead of trying to create something that's already happened, let's take advantage of what's already been made. I'll start with our products and then move into our services. On the product side, we have a few flagships that we have. The first one is Discovery. And Discovery is primarily used for broadcast purposes and others, where every day we're ingesting tens of thousands, or if not hundreds of thousands of hours of content across a wide variety of television stations, broadcast stations, streaming media. And we're bringing a level of insight into that. What are they talking about? Who's talking? What's being seen on the screen? Great example of that would be, with ESPN. We're ingesting tons of footage across broadcast streams and television streams or video streams and bringing a level of intelligence that. So at the end of the day, they have an understanding of what all have they had, who was in the shot, what were they talking about in those? And it allows them to, that level of insight that they get into their content allows them to think about, well, how do we want to augment our creative cycle? How do we want to use this footage? Where do we want to take that? And Discovery is that lens that you can come in. You can go in a very simple, almost like a Google-like search bar, come in and do a multivariate search. Like I want to go in and I want to find an image of, so use a baseball example. Okay. Let's go find Aaron Judge. And okay, now that I want to search for him, let's search of an image of a baseball bat. And then I want to search for then the phrase home run. So what it's going to do, it's going to search through that, all the corpus of data, and it's going to bring in those elements that read that multivariate search criteria.
Thanks for listening. To hear the complete interview, subscribe at marketecture.tv.